Welcome back to QRepubliC. Today is November 3rd, 2021, Wednesday. Our PSEi closed today at 7,184.72 with foreign selling of 23.75 million pesos. As of the moment, hindi pa rin po ganun kaganda yung ating support from the foreign investors, but at least wala naman tayong major selling pressure na nakikita. Sa ating news today, yung ating pagtaas kahapon can be associated with bargain hunting as well as the third quarter financial report ng ating mga companies which gave boost on the positive side ng ating market. AB Capital also noted that the continued downward movement ng ating COVID-19 cases which is raising hopes sa pagbubukas pa further ng ating economy. However, aside from being optimistic due to the lowered number of our COVID-19 cases and third quarter financial report, we have to watch out as well yung magiging effect ng October inflation figure as well as the jobs report in the United States dito sa ating market, sa ating PSEi. Pwede nating maging guide yung sabi ng BDO na maaari tayong mag-consolidate between 6,950, so yan yung possible low natin, up to 7,300. So sa ating chart, the market barely make to continue our uptrend channel, but we are seeing a positive response now as we are maintaining the level of our volume, and for second day in a row, buyers yung ating winners. Yun nga lang, we are heading up again at 7,300 area sa ating immediate resistance, and we have yet to see kung kakayanin na ba ng market i-breakout yung ating 7,300 area. So if nakaposition naman na tayo sa ating mga stocks, especially na listed sila sa PSEi, more on hold and observation tayo as of the moment. Sa ating mga previous reviews naman, together with the news that we had reported, analysts are seeing that we have a good chance in maintaining the 7,000 level. So if ever, aside sa hold, if we are accumulating shares, we can do that on every dip sa ating 7,000 area or even dito sa ating moving average 50 sa ating red line. So possible low din natin siya. So let us continue to monitor our market, be wiser than we are yesterday, and continue to invest for our future. For JFC, after nating ma-establish yung kanyang strong support at 210 peso area, the market seems creating a new one at 232 peso area. This is despite of the 3 days selling pressure that can be observed in the chart. So mga bearish candlestick po yung ginawa ng ating market, and then at the same time, yung volume niya were increasing during this 3 days. But today, it seems na buyers were back after ng ating pagbagsak from 244 peso area hanggang 229. So bagamat nakikita natin na inverted hammer yung ating candlestick today, wherein marami pa rin yung ating sellers from 235 peso area, nanalo pa rin yung ating buyers as they maintained the opening price at umangat pa ng konti yung ating price from it. In general view, meron tayo ngayong immediate support around 229 or 230 peso area. And I think soon, if we can sustain this immediate support this week, maganda nang kumuha ng shares on this area, but that is for us to observe. Sa ating latest news naman, JFC signed franchise agreement with Yoshinoya to operate and expand the Yoshinoya brand in the country. With regards to Yoshinoya, it's one of the largest and most recognized Japanese restaurant brands globally with over 2,000 stores worldwide. For Globe, after natin ma-breakdown yung ating uptrend channel, we can see that we have a good support at 2,928 area or dito sa ating moving average 50, yung ating red line. Maliliit lang yung ating volume, so wala naman tayong volatility na nakikita. So I would say that we are not speculating any strong move, particularly in going down or major selling pressure. Syempre yan yung gusto nating muna ma-establish kung may selling pressure ba tayo bago tayo bibili. Although wala tayong selling pressure na nakikita, may ma-observe naman natin na matamlay yung takbo ng price natin dahil lang nga po sa ating low volume. So kung ngayon po tayo bibili sa kanya, kailangan nating maintindihan na malapit tayo sa ating resistance at 3,220 peso area. Wala man tayong selling pressure pero it doesn't mean na hindi tayo pwedeng bumaba ulit sa ating support area. So we have to weigh our risk in case we decided to buy on its current area. So ang bottom line natin is yung good area to buy is at 2,928 area kasi ito yung low na pwede natin ma-expect kay Globe as of the moment. Sa ating latest news naman, it shows na very successful ang GCash program ni Globe. So, isa pa rin yung GCash sa magandang catalyst natin kay Globe even up until this time. For Metrobank, meron tayo ngayong secondary assurance of having our 4880 area a good support. Kasi today, and pati na rin yesterday, we had a good volume where our winners were the buyers. So after nating mag-dip at around 47.69 area, we had recovered our momentum and currently re-challenging again the 50 peso area. So bagamat naka-recover yung ating momentum, dapat nating maintindihan na nasa major resistance area tayo. So the market is fighting with this area since November 2020. So if ever man, kung ngayon pa lang tayo papasok sa kanya, test buy would be our option para in case man is meron tayong pang average down or kapag na-breakout natin siya totally, itong ating major resistance, dun tayo magdadagdag ng posisyon sa kanya. Sa ating latest news naman, meron po tayong good news sa mga merong Metrobank online account, particularly sa PesoNet or online transfer. So they have reduced the fee to 50 pesos from 100 pesos. So very good news po yan dahil mas dadami or mas dadalas na po yung gagamit ng PesoNet due to this reduction. For AC Energy, after nating maputol yung ating momentum last October 13th, nung nagkaroon tayo ng major selling pressure, kung papansinin natin, the market is trying to cope up as we had a bounce sa ating moving average 50 or at 10.90 area. So we are seeing somehow an indecision sa ating market kasi we can see lower highs and then at the same time, meron tayong higher lows. And sa current run natin, we can see that we are being blocked around 12.10 area kasi we are forming red candlesticks. Pero ang maganda naman is yung ating volume very low lang. So hindi naman strong yung ating selling pressure. So currently, AC Energy is consolidating in general view. But due to the weak momentum, low volume and resistance that we are having currently at 12 peso area, there is a good chance na mag-dip ulit tayo below moving average 20, malapit sa ating borderline around 11.50. So if ever, dun magandang bumili ng shares kay AC Energy. For Aboitiz Power, after ng market breakout, yung long time consolidation niya 27.90 area, may nakikita tayo ngayong immediate but good support at 30.72 area kung nasa nandun din po yung ating moving average 50. Currently, the market is re-challenging its last resistance at 34 peso area. So we formed a solid bullish candlestick today accompanied by a high volume. If we are on the long term dito kay Aboitiz Power, it's okay to buy on its current area as we have a good fundamental scores sa kanya as of the moment. And recently, naglabas din siya ng kanyang third quarter earnings wherein sa kabuuan, maganda yung kanilang naging financial status compared last year. At kung maaalala natin yung mga news natin last October, yung third quarter financial report ng ating mga companies, yung isa sa mga pwedeng maging magandang catalyst ng isang stock para mas maging maganda yung takbo nito. So going back, if ikaw naman is a short-term holder, we are currently at the resistance area. So 30 peso area yung downside na nakikita natin. So if ever, more on test buy yung pwede natin gawin para just in case bumaba siya, pwede pa tayo makapag average down and then mag-add na lang tayo dito kay avoid this power kapag confident enough na tayo sa kanya. But generally, we have a good shape dito kay avoid this power.